2 minute summary presents solid observation amid corona outbreak. United States is no longer the world's leading country, and China won the Third World War without firing a single missile. And Europeans are not as educated as they appear. We can survive vacations without trips to Europe and USA. Rich peoples are in fact less immune than the poor. No priest, pujari, ustad save the patients. Humans are the real viruses on this planet Earth. We can spend billions of rupees on poor without red tapeism. Health professions are worth more than footballers. Oil is worthless in a society without consumption. Time to realize how animals feel in the zoo. The planet regenerates quickly without human interplay. Majority of people can work from home. Yes, we can, and our kids can survive without junk foods. Prisoners in jails for petty crimes can be released, and living a hygienic life is not difficult. There are good people in the world. If we build more schools, we have to construct less hospitals. Finally, follow the guidelines by WHO. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.